Hello everyone. Today we will do this particular differential problem which reads, use implicit differentiation to differentiate y plus sine of x times y which is equal to 10x squared. So if we have to differentiate this particular function, each of the terms are being differentiated with respect to x. So we'll have d by dx of y plus t by dx of sine of x times y, that is equal to t by dx of 10x squared. Now, note with implicit differentiation, whenever I differentiate y, insert dy over dx. So differentiate y, we get 1, but since we are differentiating y, we insert dy over dx plus. Question now is, how do I differentiate sine of x times y? Right? Over here we need to employ chain's rule. Now what does chain rule say? Chain rule says differentiate the outer function first. So, right, that means we differentiate sine, we get cos of x times y. So chain rule says differentiate the outer function first, leaving the inner function alone, times the derivative of the inner function, in this case which is x times y. So that is then equal to differentiate 10x squared, we get, bring 2 to the front, 2 times 10 is 20x. Now the question is, how do I differentiate x times y? To differentiate x times y, we will be utilizing the product rule. So the question is, what is product rule? In case if you have forgotten, then let's say there are two functions u and v, and we need to differentiate that. So to differentiate u and v, the formula that we get is u prime v plus v prime u. So what happens if I need to differentiate x and y? What is the derivative equal to? So I can say let u to be equal to x and let v to be equal to y. Then u prime is equal to 1. V prime is, whenever I differentiate y, insert dy over dx. Then using this formula, we will be able to find the derivative. So going back to the first one, so we'll from here, okay, utilizing this one, we will have dy over dx plus cos of x times y. Right? So the derivative now utilizing this formula, u prime. So u prime is 1 into v is equal to y plus v prime u. So we'll have u is given as x and v prime is given as dy over dx, that is equal to 20x. Excellent. Then what we will do is that we expand this bracket. So we'll have dy over dx plus cos of x times y into y plus cos of x times y into x dy over dx, that is equal to 20x. Next, what we do is that we bring all the dy over dx together and the others we take to the right hand side. So in this case, we'll have dy over dx plus x cos xy dy over dx is equal to 20x. Right, let's take this to the right hand side. We'll have minus cos of x times y into y. Then what I do is that, as you can see, this side dy over dx is common to both. Okay, dy over dx is common to both. So I take dy over dx outside. So from here I'm left with 1 plus x cos of xy is equal to, okay, 20x minus y cos of xy. Then I just divide 1 plus x cos of xy on both sides to get my dy over dx. Therefore dy over dx is equal to 20x minus y cos of xy divided by 1 plus x cos of xy. So this is the solution to this particular problem. Thank you.